What's up, guys? And a while ago, I bought this little ceiling fan, but I wanted to move it to the middle light, but it's not quite level yet. So today, we're going to level that cup out and move the fan to the middle. First, we're going to cut the power. Okay, so we got this off, but the thing that's making it not level is, first of all, it was tilted like more this way. Also, it's held by one screw on the inside because the two nail brackets broke off, so we can't use those. So the one screw is letting it rotate, and we don't want it to rotate. So we might need to put two screws in, but also since it's so pinned it's squished against the rafter so hard that it's tilting it towards this way. So we need to fix it so that way it's level this way and level this way. So horizontally and vertically. Okay, so one thing I should take in consideration is that there's going to be a fan on here. So it's going to be super wobbly and stuff with this fan. So I'm thinking that if we put another Raptor going from here to here, and then we could screw a screw going into the back right into that Raptor, and it'll also help it from not wobbling. And I think that will hold it pretty good because we don't want the fan to be moving. Okay, finally. We got this thing in place. It's all level. We'll just double check, make sure. Level right here. Doesn't really look level from the eye, but it's level. Right here and right here. It's level. Okay. It's super strong. So that's really good. Now we just need to screw this on to the rafter. And then that should be pretty much it. We'll make sure this coupling is level. And we'll put the fan on it. Okay, so we got the coupler attached to the rafter. And this thing is not going anywhere. It's nice and level, horizontally and vertically. Now we're just gonna attach this cover, install the fan, screw on the fan, and then just let's test it out. Okay, so one problem is this coupling is the top of it is like in to the Raptor. So this cover, when we go to put it on, it can't screw in all the way because this rafter is here. So we might unscrew the coupling and move it right into the center. So it's in between the two rafters. Okay, now we have it in the middle. Let's solve this for hopefully the last time. Okay, we have it secured. It's all level. Let's put on the fan. here we have it. Let's go turn on the power. Now let's see if it works. There we go. It's not wobbling. It's doing really good. Well, there we have it. Make sure you guys follow so you don't miss out on the next project.